So here she is, 2009 DR650, and as you can see, lots of disassembly already happening, and I've already started priming the frame. I've been waffling between, should I take the engine out, should I leave the engine in, and today I decided I am going to take it out. So rather than bore you with all the disassembly up to this point, I thought I would show you what you probably all are interested in, is how to take an engine out of a DR650. Now, I've never done this before. Part of the reason that I'm doing it is to see if I can, and I'm not a technician, not a motorcycle mechanic, so it's going to be trial by error, and we'll see how far we get today. So first thing I'm going to do is get this oil cooler off, and I don't know how much oil is in there. I've drained the engine oil, and we'll see how much oil comes out of this. Those aren't too tight. Gonna watch, there's probably an O-ring in there when I pull that off. And of course, well, there's a couple drops there. Alright, let's pull this one off. Oh, that was easy. O-ring there. That O-ring out so we don't lose it. Same with this one on the bottom. This one's actually stuck in the engine. I'll just leave that there for now. These two bolts I'll put back in here so I don't worry about figuring out where they go. Alright, I'll get the cooler off. Home she comes. Easy as that. Alright, so now I'm going to take off this guard. Get a bolt up here. And then the nut on the bottom looks like it's part of the engine mount bracket. Alright, get this bracket off here. See if this moves. Oh, there we go, it moves. Alright. Now, this lower bolt, let's see how smooth this one is. Now, thing's turning, so I have to get a wrench to back it up. Okay. Easy enough. Let's back it up with a 12mm wrench from the other side. She comes. Nice. Bolt. Not a very beefy bolt, just a bolt to support that guard. These bolts go with the frame as well. Might as well see if this one will move. Over here. Okay. Let's try this again. Wrench in the back. There we go. So my plan is to get this most of the bolts out, and then I'm going to lower it to the floor before I take the rest of it out. Lift it, I can just slide it out. So my next move, I think, is I'm going to take out this main bolt on the bottom. See if I can move it. Okay, so I've decided that these bolts are so tight that this thing might fall off the lift. So I'm going to lower it down to the floor and try it lower down in case it does fall. Okay. Alright, so I got it lowered down, and I have to use a breaker bar to get this thing loose. Very gingerly undoing this. Make sure that I don't strip anything. Now, we'll leave that in there for the time being until we get the next one off. Alright, this next one. Let's see how this one goes. It's 14 mil. Tight. Frame's moving around a bit more than I like it to. So I'm going to shift that frame around a bit. Alright, got that frame supported a bit better. And here we go, turning. Nice. There we go. So these two main ones are out. We've got the bracket on the front done. All that's left is the bracket on the top. Alright, so let's get these loosened off. I think a little rusty, so I'm going to be careful. Alright, now it's moving. Alright, well that's all the engine bolts loose, which is nice because I thought for sure I was going to struggle with them, but it all came off fairly nicely. Alright, off comes this plate. These don't seem to be bearing any weight at all. Now I'm going to move the engine right onto the floor. Alright, so the plan here is move this lift back with the bike on it. See what happens here. Does it want to? Here it comes. That's not bad. These nuts from the engine bolts. Okay, so now the big move off the lift and onto the new piece of cardboard. So let's see what's the best way to do this. Well, I think we should just move this over here. She wants to go forward.